Alright, so hello everyone. If you are looking for a budget power supply for your guitar pedals, maybe this video is for you. Okay, so stick around. Let's find out what power supply this is. Alright, so the power supply that we are talking about is this VAVE power pedal. It is good, it is bad. Let's talk about that. So I've been using this power pedal maybe already 6 months, and I guess I already know what is the pros and cons of this power pedal. Okay, so the price is depends on the shop that you are going to go to buy this pedal, but usually you can buy this VAVE power pedal online. Okay, so it's very cheap, and I already look for reviews about this pedal. So yeah, the common issue that I encountered in most of the user of this power pedal is, or pedal power, is the noisy signal. Okay, so let's talk about first what are the function of this pedal power. So we have this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8, okay, 8, I'd say, channels, or you can use 8 pedals for this power pedal. Okay, so we have 100 mA and 300 mA. Okay, so to power this power pedal, you have this type C connections here, or input, so which means you can use charger for this to function. However, okay, so that is the first thing that you need to know about this pedal power supply. Okay, we can use this using your charger only if you are going to use some clean pedal effects, just like maybe some of the echoes, reverbs. But if you are going to use some compression or distortion, that's going to be problematic, because the charger would introduce us for some noise. Okay, for example, we are going to use this pedal or this power supply using our charger. Okay, so we have here some type C cable here, so we are going to connect this in our pedal power. So yeah, what we are going to use here is my pedal. We have here the Joyo Extreme Metal for our distortion. Okay, so I'm going to maximize our drive all over the knobs, and then we have here the VAVE Cube Baby. Also, we have Tank G here. They function very similar, but the Tank G are have more functionality compared to this. So for this testing, I'm going to use my VAVE Cube Baby. Okay, so let's start to power our pedal here. So let me do that here. Okay, so of course, if you buy this power pedal, it provided some the ports or the cords here like this. Okay, so that we can use it to our pedal. So I'm going to connect our extreme metal, Joyo Extreme Metal, to maybe in 100 mA, anywhere here in our power supply, and then let's plug this thing, our charger, in our outlet. Okay, now, so here's my guitar already connected in our pedals. Let's turn on our VAVE. Okay, so let's turn on, or let's turn off our drive, then turn on our pedal here. So you can see the clean signal is a bit okay, but if we add some distortion, okay, You hear that humming noise? Okay, if you hear that humming noise is came from our outlet, okay? That went through our charger and go to our power pedal here. Let's try to play it again. Okay, so that is the most of the user experience using this um, pedal power, okay, the VAVE. However, um, if we use power bank to power this power supply, um, it will fix the issue, okay. But not every power bank functions similarly to this, maybe. um, okay, so this power bank that we are using is the typical 18 watts power power bank. It's not the same with the more advanced power bank here. This power bank is more advanced compared to our typical power bank, because every time I use this fast charger power bank, maybe around 1 minute, 2 minutes, it automatically turn off. So if you're going to use power bank using our pedal, and I suggest the get some cheap power bank, 18 watts. Okay, so this is our power bank here. Maybe I'm going to um, put the link below so that you can use this power bank, or if you already have power bank in your arsenal, maybe you can use that. Okay, so let's try to power our power pedal here using power bank. Let's see if the noise will be eliminated. Okay, so it is already connected. Then let's crank the drive slowly. Okay, let turn on first the pedal, then okay. So if you notice, it is much quieter compared if we connected it using our charger. So yeah, my suggestion, if you are going to use this power pedal, okay, use power bank, 18 watts power bank, okay, not the advanced or the fast charging power bank, because it automatically turn off after a minute or two. Okay, so this is what I suggest using to power our power supply. Okay, so yeah, maybe that's the our review for this power supply. And then yeah, is it worth it? Maybe yes, for me it is worth it if you're just starting building your own guitar pedals. I suggest you can use this as a starter pack, okay. But if you have budget, of course you can buy a more expensive, more premium power pedal. But if you are on a budget, I suggest use this compared to those like power supply, the old charger. Okay, So I don't suggest using that because it is so very noisy. Okay, so yeah, maybe this video helps. Please click like, share, and subscribe if this video helps for you. Okay, so see you soon on my next video.